Welcome to this quick tutorial on how I trade EURUSD using the ZeenAlgo indicator on the 5-minute chart. In this strategy, I use the 1-hour trend direction for confirmation and I only take trades in the same direction as that trend. Let's go over 4 trades I took, step by step. The idea is simple. If the 1-hour trend is showing up, I only take buy signals. If the 1-hour trend is showing down, I only take sell signals. The ZeenAlgo indicator gives me clear buy and sell signals on the 5-minute chart. When I see a signal that matches the 1-hour trend, I enter the trade. I close the trade when the opposite signal appears, but I never trade against the trend. Here's the first trade. The 1-hour trend is up, so I'm only looking for buys. ZeenAlgo shows a green buy signal on the 5-minute chart. I enter the trade. Later, a red sell signal appears. That's my signal to close the trade. I do not enter a sell because the 1-hour trend is still up. Now trade 2. The 1-hour trend is still up. I get another green buy signal. I enter. Again, I exit when the red sell signal shows up. I stay disciplined and skip the sell. For the third trade, the 1-hour trend continues upward. ZeenAlgo gives another buy signal. I enter again. The trade runs well, and when the red sell signal appears, I exit. Still no selling, the trend hasn't changed. Last trade. Same setup, 1-hour trend is up. ZeenAlgo gives me a buy signal. I jump in. Later, the sell signal shows up and I exit. Again, I don't reverse the trade, I only follow the main trend. After this trade, the 1-hour trend changes to a downtrend, so now I stop looking for buys and start looking for sell opportunities. A little while later, ZeenAlgo gives me a red sell signal. I take the trade. The price moves down, and when a green buy signal appears, I close the sell position. I don't take the buy since the 1-hour trend is still down. This strategy keeps trading simple and clean. Only trade in the direction of the 1-hour trend. Use ZeenAlgo to spot entry and exit points on the 5-minute chart. Avoid overtrading and stay consistent. If you want to download ZeenAlgo for free, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. I'll send you the link right after.